Welcome back once again to AE Tech. Today, I want to start harvesting some of my ripe mulberry fruits. So let me just show you some of the ripe mulberries and how I'm harvesting them. So you can see these pink ones are not fully ripe yet. The ones that are pink, the green one are still developing, just like these ones, just like these ones. But the pink ones are on their way to ripening. The pink ones are about to ripe, and the black ones are the ones that are fully ripe. You can see most of the black ones here. This is the one I harvested today, and I'm still harvesting more. So this is the mulberry. I know this fruit is very healthy, and is also anti-aging and antioxidant fruit. Also, it reduces blood sugar. So this fruit is a nice fruit to have in your garden. This is mulberry. So let me keep on harvesting more mulberries. As I continue to pick the fruits, let me explain and give you more overview of this tree. So you see mulberry plants, they don't take time to fruit. And you know, most of them we propagate mulberry trees by either cuttings or a layering. So these tend to make them fruit very early. Like a typical mulberry tree can start producing within 6 months after planting. And this tree is just 2 years old. You see how big the tree is, because mulberry grow very fast and they grow very vigorous. So this tree reached this size in just 2 years. And from 6 months after you plant it, it will start producing and you can start harvesting, just like I'm doing now. So this is a very good fruit tree to have, and it's very rich in antioxidants and anti-aging property. It's also good for reducing blood sugar. It's good for reducing blood sugar. So, see my hand, I'm still picking the mulberries. So I'm picking the ripe one, which is the black mulberries. That's the ripe mulberry. So here we have more ripe mulberries. So let me start picking them. See, the black ones are the ripe ones. The black ones are the ripe ones. And birds, I forgot to say, birds love this fruit. They can't keep getting enough of this fruit. Bears always like picking on them, because you know these mulberry have tiny seeds that the birds like. So keep harvesting more. As you can see, now I've finished picking the mulberries, the ripe ones. Although I still have a little bit of pink mulberries here. Those ones are not very ripe, but the black mulberries here are very ripe. So these fruits, you can just like a berry, you can just eat it whole, eat it raw, or you can also squeeze out the juice and drink it like a fruit juice, or you can blend it together with other fruits as smoothie. So there's the ways of eating this mulberry. So thank you Thank you so much for watching this video. Please follow the channel for more videos.